Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Ms. Espinosa and I am a kinder teacher in Texas. Today I am going to teach you how to make your own bookmarks in about 5 minutes. This is a really easy gift idea for your students and it's super customizable. So right now you're looking at an example of the bookmarks that I'm going to give to my students at the end of the school year. And I just wrote in the name Alex as an example, but I did write in all of my kids' names and I use my Bitmoji. I really love using my Bitmoji when I create things for my students. So you are welcome to use any clip art that you have, or you could also use your Bitmoji. But this is really simple, so let's go ahead and get started. We are going to open a new PowerPoint presentation, delete these boxes. Now let's go over to design and we need to resize the slide size to make it paper size. I want this to be landscape, so my width is going to be 11 and my height will be 8.5. Customize. I want to fit as many bookmarks as I can. I'm going to go over to the table and I want by one table. Now this is going to be the size of your actual bookmark. You can make them as big as you'd like. Just going to make sure everything is centered. Alright, now I don't want any shading. I'm going to make my borders very thick. All borders. That's my template for the bookmarks, and now I can go ahead and insert a text box. Enter my text, and I love using fonts that I downloaded from Teachers Pay Teachers. For this little project, I'm going to use MJ, like really though. And I want this to be uppercase. You are a super reader. And then it's italic. And make this bigger. And make this one smaller. Now I'm going to shape format, and I want my text to be outlined black, and now I'll customize the actual color of my text. So I go over to text fill and I want more options. Go to standard. I really like light colors, so I want like a light purple, then I want a blue, more colors. Color. I actually really like that orange, so maybe we could do pink here. The other color is nice. Do like a dark blue. Alright, so that's my text. And now I can just copy and paste this. Copy, paste. And again, I really love creating on PowerPoint because it's so easy to drag everything, and these little dotted lines show up to help you make sure that things are centered. Alright, so now you just add your Bitmojis. I already have some saved. So you can use whatever Bitmojis you want. That is literally it. So if you want to make a class set, you would simply just duplicate the slide. I know I can definitely search for ideas on Pinterest. You want to have some like puns. You want to customize them for student birthdays. Lots of options, and it's really easy. And that is all that I wanted to share with you. So hopefully this encouraged you to create your own student bookmarks. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments what other kinds of videos you want to see where you can create your own resources and materials for your classroom. And I will see you next time.